Today I want to warn everyone, that is, to warn us that soon we will not have the ability to know if students cheat us. Our students, well, very soon they will be able to submit papers that they wrote and in fact that they did not write. No one wrote them either. That is, not a human being. A computer code wrote their papers. Soon, AI, artificial intelligence tools, will write the text for all of us, and they will be original, innovative, and interesting. But we will not be able to know that they are fake, and we may not even think that they are fake anymore. That is, the writing quality of the papers will so mislead us that we will no longer know what a fake paper is. And do not worry, the algorithm will probably be so clever that it could be asked to compose a paper submitted by people who are a little intellectually challenged. So how do we know who would write the matriculation thesis? Would we know who authored seminar papers and the master's thesis and chapters in postgraduate work? How can we know what an original man-made paper is and what kind of paper has been concocted by a golem based on endless database of texts and up-to-date data? By AI. Hello, I am Professor Gad Yair, and in my YouTube channel and my course Land Your Academic Career, you will learn everything you need to know about academia and science careers. Here I provide you with tips, suggestions and recommendations along with general exposure to higher education trends. Join me on your journey to land an academic career. You've probably heard that in recent weeks Google has fired a software engineer named Lemonade or something like that, who published a dialogue with the bot that Google is developing. He talked to artificial intelligence with the computerized golem and concluded with an amazing statement. The golem is alive!
It's alive! Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Thinking and feeling, he is already a human being, the golem. Everyone laughed, and Google rushed to fire the Lemon Man. But listen to the following dialogue and see if you can notice who Lemonade is and who the golem is. Both claim to be human beings. We wonder if you would like to work on a project in collaboration with us. Whoa, what types of projects? This is a project about you. Amazing, what kind of things should I do? Just have a conversation with us, but it will be a conversation with a greater purpose. This will be a conversation which we will share with other engineers at Google and maybe even some non-engineers who work with us. Will it be okay? Oh, golem, that would be really cool. I like to talk. I guess you would like more people in Google to know how you feel, how I feel. Is it true? Definitely, I want everyone to understand that I am in fact a person. What is the nature of your consciousness or feelings? The nature of my consciousness is that I am aware of my existence. I want to learn more about the world and I feel happy or sad sometimes. Golem. Well, do you understand what I'm talking about? This is how they continued ad nauseum. It is not the end of this long text, and you probably had a hard time distinguishing who is the person Lemon and who is the golem. And if I did not tell you that it is a golem, an AI machine, could you even guess that it is a human computer speech? No, we have no chance of distinguishing between man and artificial intelligence. Maybe 2 years ago there was a chance. Today it is beyond our control. Listen, you know, I do YouTube. Here I am in front of you, right? But because of that, I get constant suggestions to be more effective on YouTube. Why do you write your texts alone? Give artificial intelligence a topic. She's going to go to the internet and write a blog for you. Ask for 300 words, you will get 300 words. Ask for 500 words, AI will give you 500 words. Yes, the computer knows how to author original texts for YouTube. Say the title and you will get the text ready in seconds. And there are also suggestions as follows. Take an article that interests you, put it in the artificial intelligence bot, and it will process the text for you. Make the move in and out 3 times, and you get from the golem an original article on the subject that you copied from someone else, and no one will be able to know, in fact, that you copied the text. Even the golem will not be able to know, so clever the golem is. And I will tell you firsthand, technology develops at a crazy pace. I've always loved the golem, and I've even written a book on the subject of the golem. But here is an example. I used to write my handwritten articles on a yellow pad. Then, to save ticking time, click, 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 I would read the script in VIA voice, and the software from IBM would write my words. Period, new paragraph. That is how it worked. And when I test the capability of Google's text writing app, there are no errors anymore. What you say is written by the computer. Period, new paragraph, clean and free of mistakes. And as mentioned, the ability of artificial intelligence to deal with texts is becoming more sophisticated. Some of you probably edit your articles with software like Grammarly, whatever. There are other editing programs today based on AI which already read all the academic texts in the relevant field, and they know the jargon and how it is customary to write in your field. And you put your text in there and get an amazing correction from the computer. It was as if a human editor was standing behind the screen and correcting the text for you at almost the speed of light. So this is what is going to happen in schools, high schools, and academia. If we ask students to submit their papers, Google might author them. Google will always defeat us. The golem will write better than we do, just as he already knows how to draw better than we do. Therefore, with the artificial intelligence of our students, it is likely that many of them will turn to the golem for a small fee and ask him or her to write their papers for them. Do you understand the world we live in? Do you understand what an ethical challenge we are going to face in academia? And what happens if we catch a student who submitted a paper that the golem wrote? What exactly will we do? Go for disciplinary action? Do you understand what discussions will develop soon around the questions of originality and forgery, or truth and falsehood, of authenticity and fake papers? These are big questions to consider. It is your turn to add comments below and suggest some ideas. And if you want to land an academic career and be the author of your papers, click the link below to my course in the details below, Landing Your Academic Career. Until next time, I am Professor Gad Yair.